In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer in BigCommerce in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in and transform the look and feel of your online store's footer, elevating your brand's visual appeal and user experience. Let's begin by heading over to BigCommerce. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the BigCommerce homepage. Here, you'll want to locate the Login button, which is typically positioned at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be directed to a login screen where you can enter your credentials. On the login screen, you will see fields requesting your email and password. Make sure you've entered these details accurately, as this will grant you access to your store's dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the BigCommerce homepage. From here, navigate to the storefront option. This is where we'll access various customization features to enhance your store's front-end interface. Click on it and you'll be introduced to several storefront management options. Locate the themes section and give it a click. This area allows you to change the aesthetic aspects of your online shop by selecting and customizing themes that fit best with your brand identity. Next, you're going to click on Customize. This will open up the theme customization settings where you'll have the freedom to tailor your selected theme. Within these settings, find and select theme styles. This option is particularly useful as it provides a comprehensive range of style mechanics such as colors, fonts, and backgrounds, enabling you to tune into the finer details of your theme. While in theme styles, you'll want to click on header and footer. This will give you access to separate customization options for both the top and bottom of your website. Scroll down until you find the footer section. Here's where all the magic happens. Within the footer section, you're free to edit the color settings, perhaps opting for tones that correspond with your brand colors, or ones that simply catch your eye. This is an excellent opportunity to play around with contrast to ensure text visibility. Adjust the color of the background or the text, bringing a lively or minimalist touch to the footer area. Moreover, you can tinker with display settings to modify aspects like alignment or spacing within the footer, maintaining a clean yet appealing structure. Additionally, don't overlook the payment icons. They are part of your user's checkout experience. Choose a display mode that looks professional and is instantly recognizable, fostering a sense of trust with your customers. Finally, after making all those exciting changes, it's time to lock them in. Locate the Save and Publish button, click it, and voila, your edits are now live. With that, your customized footer is ready to enhance the navigation and aesthetic appeal of your BigCommerce store. Thank you for spending some time learning how to personalize the footer on BigCommerce. Enjoy the seamless professional look of your revamped online store.